So this morning I've come out of the Cotswolds and I've taken about an hour and a half drive into Wales, and I am off to see some waterfalls. There's a 4 waterfall walk. That's where I'm heading for, so hopefully get some good photos of some waterfalls, some cascades. However, on the road here I happened to pass Penderyn Distillery, which is right here. So I had to stop, and seriously, once you get out of the car you can smell the whiskey, so I can't wait to go inside. So a slight detour there, but well worth it in the end. Now off to the waterfalls. So we've only come about 2 minutes away from the car now. It's already stunning, so I'm very hopeful for some waterfall shots. So we've arrived here about 12 o'clock today, and the car park was really busy, and in fact there was a minivan of tourists have just turned up. So if you want to get here quiet, I guess you've got to get here early. The car park's £4, and obviously there's a well signposted path from here down to the waterfalls. The first waterfall now, definitely hear it. Not entirely sure where. Oh shit! Not entirely sure where we're going to get photographs from. There are definitely a lot of tourists around at the moment, and it's slippy. So that's the first of the 4 waterfalls. Looks like there's not been a lot of rain here for a while. And also, you're quite high up from a vantage point, so you need to be down there somehow. And other than a parachute or a pair of wings, I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to do that. So, on to the next one. So we worked our way away from the first waterfall on probably about a 20-minute walk. It's fairly straight, to be honest. There's not too much uphill and downhill. And now we're going to the next waterfall, which is number 2 on the list, which I can't even pronounce the Welsh name, but apparently it stands for the fall of snow. So looks pretty stunning. Let's hope it's got plenty of water in it this time. Got a fairly straightforward setup here. Got a polarizer on to take the glare off the water. I've got a 6-stop filter, but it's quite hard a photograph to take because of all the tourists. Even with a 20-second exposure, they're still showing up in the photograph. So we've got to time it right. So I'm going to head on under the falls now, hidden my camera under my shirt. My GoPro is waterproof, my camera is not, so here we go. So that was the falls of snow. That was pretty impressive. Those steps are damn steep, so I didn't vlog on the way up. And I have no idea how you pronounce that in Welsh. It looks like Sgwd or something. I have no idea. Anyway, hopefully the other falls are just as good as that one. So, see you in a minute. It's well set up for visitors there, so all of the paths have numbers on them, and the waterfalls obviously have numbers on them as well, so you can tell when you're getting close. No way of getting lost. Waterfall number 3, totally different perspective this one. You're looking at it from the side rather than from straight on, so it'll be a different shot. So I'm going to stand on a ledge here set up here for the shot. So I've managed to scramble down some rocky path to get a much better composition on the waterfall. I think you'll agree it's a lot better from down here than it was from up there. I quite like the way the branch of the tree is under the water. If you put the polarizer on, you can see it a lot more clearly, and it's drawing your eye in towards the waterfall. Stunning. So photographically, this is the best of the three we've seen so far. There are so many compositions. There are trees under the water, rocks under the water that you can pick out with your polarizer, 3-4 different streams of water coming down. Absolutely stunning. Hopefully I've done it some justice and you'll see the photographs and agree. If you want to come here, I wouldn't go up there on that top bit. There's a path just there. It's down by the side and nobody else comes down here, so it's a perfect spot to take your photographs. Just when you've seen it all, and you've seen the best waterfall, this is the fourth and final one, and I can count 5 different cascades. Absolutely stunning. I really want to be over there though, but it's over the other side of the water and I can't jump that far. So it may be maybe a scramble or a wet feet jog. What an amazing place. It's going to have to be a shoes and socks off to try and get over there. I hope I don't get washed away. There are so many layers, it's got to be focus stacked. There's no way you can get all of this in focus. So that's the fourth and the final of the 4 waterfalls on the 4 waterfalls walk in South Wales. I don't know what the names are, but I'll put the names at the bottom of the photograph so you can see what they are. Hopefully you enjoyed that. It's quite an exploring today, so if you did enjoy it, think about hitting the subscribe button. If you didn't, leave me a comment, and if not, cheers, next one.